Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best value offset smokers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Dyna-Glo Offset Charcoal Smoker. If you are in search of an affordable offset smoker, then this model might be an ideal choice for you. Made from a sturdy powder-coated, heavy-duty steel, the construction of this unit is totally matchless. With the adjustability and well-positioning of the grates, it guarantees an even heat distribution. This model is actually one of the top-rated vertical offset smokers, and it's not hard to see why. It features a wide cooking chamber that can cook about 150 pounds of food at once. There are 2 doors to guarantee the least volume of heat loss when you put more wood. Furthermore, this offset smoker comes with an ash and charcoal management system, removable steel ash pan, grate, and sliding. It is capable of handling large amounts of ash for several hours of maintenance-free cooking. Since this unit is a vertical model, it naturally increases the heat so that improved smoke flavor and greater efficiency can be achieved. This offset smoker will protect the food from direct heat so your food can be slow cooked for perfect taste. Additionally, the burner of the cooker is also produced using heavy cast iron, which means it will serve you for many years. In general, this vertical offset smoker is an excellent beginner offset smoker for individuals who are new and inexperienced in meat smoking. While it does come with its own drawbacks, if you don't really mind making a couple of adjustments, you can easily get this unit up and running in no time at all. Number 2. Our second best pick is Z-Grill's Upgrade Wood Pellet Smoker. One of the most significant advantages of this smoker is that it is incredibly versatile. It comes with several features that indicate how easy getting excellent performance out of an offset smoker is, all without needing to be a professional cook or even be experienced with these appliances. This smoker is an 8-in-1 model, meaning that it can be used for a wide range of applications from grilling to baking. Besides, this smoker comes with some extraordinary technology that enables the grill to maintain a constant heat. The smoker also features a smart technology that allows you to do other things while cooking. Just set it up and go about your other businesses and you will be notified when your food is done. The unit also comes with a free cover, which only tops off an already great unit. The subpar customer service is the only drawback of this unit. While the company will definitely respect its warranty and help its customers out, it is only if you can find their contact information. Sending them mail is the only dependable way of contacting the company, so keep in mind that you might not be able to have your issues with the grill solved quickly should you encounter any. Number 3. Our third best pick is Dyna-Glo Signature Series Vertical Offset Charcoal Smoker. This smoker is a heavy-duty unit, which is designed for larger events. But this doesn't mean you can't use it for small gatherings as well. Measuring 45.5 by 24.9 by 58.8 inches and weighing 124.3 pounds, this equipment is large and weighty enough to handle various kinds of foods in different sizes and shapes. This offset smoker has a total cooking space of 1382 square inches and 284 square inch offset grill, which are sufficient for you to cook your favorite meal easily. The smoker has a simple, but great design. When it, however, comes to the overall construction of this smoker, it's totally striking. It features wide individual doors which allow you to access your food easily. For more convenience and comfort, there are well-placed racks inside this appliance. Another great thing about this unit is its unbelievable quality. The incorporated 5 chrome-plated racks speak superior performance that matches the quality of the external materials. This sort of high-quality material makes you confident that it'll remain sturdy and rust-resistant. As long as the user takes care of the unit, its quality will never fail you. The appliance also comes with an average-sized temperature gauge, making the entire process a lot simpler since you can observe the temperature easily. While the temperature gauge is only a little component of a smoker, it has a significant contribution to the general performance of the appliance. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Oklahoma Joe's Longhorn Reverse Flow Smoker. If you are looking for an ideal smoker to create lip-smacking smoked meat, don't look away from this smoker. It is the only tube smoker that is capable of delivering matchless performance. The design of the smoker features 4 baffles and reverse flow feature providing stunning results. Since this smoker comes with smokestack locations and removable baffles, you can easily customize it according to your desires. The smoker also performs outstandingly when it comes to ash removal. Its design includes a large charcoal basket and an easy-to-access door to allow for easy ash removal. With heavy-gauge steel construction and porcelain grill grates, regulating smoke and heat is very easy. The large charcoal basket, in particular, makes it very convenient to use, as you can refill it while still cooking. Furthermore, this model enables you to switch quickly between regular and reverse flow smoking, which results in more accurate cooking. Other excellent features that come with the unit include a warming tray for side dishes, a bottom shelf for storing items, and an easy access to the firebox. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Cuisinart Wood Barbecue Grill and Amp Smoker. While Cuisinart is a well-known company in the production of kitchen gadgets and stand mixers, many people are unaware that they are in the smoker industry as well. In fact, the company has a relatively solid presence in this market. It offers a solid cooking experience without many bells and whistles, which is an indication of the quality level provided by the manufacturer. While this pellet smoker can't be considered as an excellent unit, it is somewhat a model of what a pellet smoker ought to do. The unit features a very wide cooking area, which makes this a perfect option for large family gatherings or big parties. Besides, it comes with a 15-pound hauler which enables you to cook for a long time without needing to think about filling up new pellets. In addition to that, the pellet smoker comes with a wheeled base, thereby allowing you to be able to move your equipment easily whenever the need arises. The wood chips of this appliance have no direct contact with the flame. This enables the chips to burn and smoke slowly at an even temperature. Moreover, the 2 separate doors also make it easier to check the flame and add wood chips without having to open the main door. This helps keep the temperature of the offset smoker very steady and stable. In all honesty though, this pellet smoker would have been better with a couple of fancy extra features. In a period where Wi-Fi controlled temperature and easy cleaning are becoming more and more prevalent, it can be a little disappointing to find a grill without those cool features. However, if you are only looking for a cooker that will provide you with enough space for large cooking, then you will enjoy this offset smoker. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.